Useful gadgets and tools on Amazon. Welcome to the digital marketplace where innovation meets convenience, Amazon. In this sprawling digital emporium, a treasure trove of useful gadgets and tools awaits, each promising to streamline tasks, enhance experiences, and elevate the everyday. From the intricacies of culinary craftsmanship to the precision demanded in DIY projects, these gadgets stand as technological marvels that have found their home on the virtual shelves of Amazon. Join us on a virtual exploration of these gadgets, unveiling the stories behind their designs, the ingenuity they embody, and the ways in which they promise to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. In this realm of Amazon's useful gadgets and tools, efficiency is not just a feature, it's a way of life. Cherry Pitter Red Dates Pitting Device Seed Remover Tool. The Cherry Pitter Red Dates Pitting Device Seed Remover Tool, a seemingly simple yet ingenious device, redefines the art of fruit preparation. Crafted with precision, this tool offers a hassle-free solution for extracting pits from cherries and red dates. Its ergonomic design ensures both efficiency and ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone who appreciates the joy of fresh, pit-free fruits. From culinary enthusiasts to health-conscious individuals, this tool not only streamlines kitchen tasks but also adds an element of convenience to the daily ritual of enjoying nature's sweet offerings. Elliptical Good Grips Baker's Dusting Wand for Sugar. Enter the realm of precision in baking with the Elliptical Good Grips Baker's Dusting Wand for Sugar. More than just a kitchen accessory, this wand elevates the art of pastry creation. Its thoughtful design allows for the controlled and even distribution of sugar, cocoa, or flour, ensuring that each confection is adorned with perfection. The Good Grips technology adds an ergonomic touch, making it comfortable to use, even for extended baking sessions. A staple for bakers, this dusting wand transforms the process of adding the finishing touch to desserts into a delightful and precise endeavor. Swiss Plus Tech ST50022 Stainless Steel 6-in-1 Keychain Multitool. In the compact form of the Swiss Plus Tech ST50022 Stainless Steel 6-in-1 Keychain Multitool lies a universe of utility. This diminutive tool, nestled in the convenience of a keychain, unfolds to reveal a versatile set of functions. Crafted from stainless steel, it seamlessly integrates a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pliers, wire cutter, wire stripper, and sheet shear. Whether embarking on an outdoor adventure or simply navigating daily tasks, this multi-tool proves to be an indispensable companion, showcasing that great utility can indeed come in small packages. Klein Tools 2100-7 Electrician Scissors. Precision meets durability in the form of the Klein Tools 2100-7 Electrician Scissors. Tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, these scissors go beyond the conventional, showcasing a design meticulously crafted for electricians. With notched blades for stripping and serrations for non-slip cutting, these scissors become an extension of the electrician's skill set. The spring-loaded action ensures efficiency, and the ergonomic handles guarantee comfort during prolonged use. An embodiment of craftsmanship, these scissors become an essential tool for those seeking excellence in electrical work. Eringogo OnePiece Violin Tool Groove Cutter. In the world of musical craftsmanship, the Eringogo OnePiece Violin Tool Groove Cutter emerges as a specialized instrument for violin makers and enthusiasts. This precision tool, crafted with meticulous attention to detail, is designed for creating grooves in violin nuts and saddles. The single-piece construction ensures durability and stability, while the intricate blade design allows for controlled and precise carving. Two-Life Connectable Contour Gauge. The Two-Life Connectable Contour Gauge redefines the art of measurement and replication in carpentry and DIY projects. Crafted with a connectable design, this contour gauge allows for the seamless transfer of complex shapes onto materials. Each movable segment, delicately engineered, captures intricate details with precision. Whether replicating shapes for woodworking or duplicating profiles for flooring installations, this tool becomes an indispensable asset. Jer Tools USA 1430 Professional Grade Self-Adjusting Automatic Wire Stripper and Cutter Pro. For the professional electrician or avid DIYer, the Jer Tools USA 1430 Professional Grade Self-Adjusting Automatic Wire Stripper and Cutter Pros stands as a pinnacle of efficiency. This automatic wire stripper and cutter streamline the process of handling electrical wires, providing a seamless and precise experience. Crafted with a self-adjusting mechanism, it accommodates wires of various sizes, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. Enter the world of golf with the Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool, a versatile accessory designed for golf enthusiasts. Crafted with a blend of functionality and elegance, this tool serves multiple purposes on the golf course. Its features include a divot repair tool for fixing imperfections on the green, a ball marker, a club groove cleaner, and a spike tightener. The compact and foldable design ensures that it can easily fit into a pocket or golf bag, becoming a handy companion for those passionate about refining their golfing experience with style and practicality. Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. In the culinary landscape, the Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher redefine the art of food preparation. Crafted from heat-resistant nylon, this masher becomes a reliable tool for effortlessly creating smooth and creamy textures in dishes. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, while the nylon construction prevents scratching on non-stick surfaces. Beyond its functional excellence, the masher becomes a culinary companion, simplifying the process of transforming ingredients into delectable creations in the kitchen. Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. For those entangled in the world of mechanics or DIY projects, the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool becomes a versatile extension of one's toolkit. Crafted with a telescoping design, this tool facilitates the retrieval of metallic objects in hard-to-reach spaces. The powerful magnetic head ensures a secure grip on ferrous materials, making it an ideal companion for tasks such as retrieving dropped nuts, bolts, and other small metallic items. Its simplicity belies its utility, and a telescoping feature adds a layer of adaptability that proves invaluable in various scenarios, making it an essential tool for those seeking efficiency in their projects. As seen on TV BluTicker Seated Elliptical Machine. Introducing the As Seen on TV BluTicker Seated Elliptical Machine, a fitness gadget that transforms the way individuals engage with their exercise routines. This compact and innovative elliptical machine is designed for seated workouts, offering a low-impact solution for those seeking cardiovascular fitness. Its portability allows users to incorporate exercise seamlessly into their daily activities, whether at home or in the office. With adjustable resistance levels and a digital monitor to track progress, the BluTicker Seated Elliptical Machine becomes a versatile fitness companion, catering to individuals with varying fitness goals and lifestyles. Night-Eyed KC11R3 DIII Keychain Multitool. The Night-Eyed KC11R3 DIII Keychain Multitool, though modest in size, packs a plethora of functionalities into its compact form. Crafted with stainless steel, this keychain tool seamlessly integrates various features, including a box cutter, bottle opener, wrench, ruler, and flathead screwdriver. Its design allows it to be conveniently attached to a keychain, ensuring that a multitude of tools is always within reach. This multi-tool becomes a testament to the idea that utility need not sacrifice portability, catering to individuals who appreciate versatility in their everyday carry. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.